Hey guys, Dave Calloway here. I just want to show you something that happened out here at the Central Wisconsin Convention and Expo Center that is super cool. I mean, it was quite the project to put together. But what happened, there was somebody who had come to an expo out here and said, you guys need to show off Central Wisconsin. And so how about doing that, with pictures or something out here? And so I wanted to show what we went through, and starting with a blank slate, blank walls, and then adding a whole bunch of pictures. They're my pictures, and so they're on display now at the Expo Center. Let's take a look. So it all starts with just laying out the pictures. Super lettering was out here with Hayes Graphics, and they laid it all out first and then proceeded to measure how far each picture needed to be apart from each other. Ended up with 32 printed pictures and put them on the main wall here at the Expo Center. And it's a combination of lots of stuff. There's barns out here, gotta have barns, right? And then events like Forest Run you see here. And then also landscapes like the Dudley Tower downtown. And then also there's Athletic Park. Also concerts on the square, murals downtown. Some of the great stuff with the Badger State games. Landscapes galore since it's so beautiful around here. And so it's a variety of just about, everything. It's hopefully a representation of Central Wisconsin. We'll find out with all the expos that come through here at the Central Wisconsin Convention and Expo Center. Come on out when you get a second and check out the pics.